Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today inshallah we are working on the X-ray diffraction, or what we call it XRD. This XRD lab, and inshallah we will talk about how can we proceed our sample. Our sample is a gel encapsulated in this gel curcumin, and the main of this function, or the main of this characterization, to know which one or is the curcumin inside this gel, is it in a crystalline form or amorphous form. Therefore, if you see crystalline or amorphous, that we can be effects on the solubility of the curcumin, because the curcumin in amorphous form high soluble than amorphous form. That's mean amorphous form has more bioavailability of crystalline form. Therefore, you should to know today inshallah what is the procedure by using XRD or X-ray diffraction. Okay, and XRD will provide us spectra or chart. This spectra either as sharp peak or broad peak. If the spectra as sharp peak, that refers to crystalline form, that means the sample or the dredge inside of the sample is crystalline. Whereas if the sample in long peak or broad peak, it's amorphous form. Okay, let's do it with you. Salam alaikum. As you know, this XRD, you should to sample to prepare sample, provide procedure, and place the sample on this holder, this sample, and you should to the sample be as solid sample or as a powder. And sometime you can place it if the sample as semi-solid or semi-liquid. Okay, I will provide you this chart of this spectra for XRD. As you see in this spectra, it's XRD spectrum, is called XRD spectrum, and we have two terms. One of them is spectra and spectrum. Spectrum for a singular chart, whereas or while spectra, it's a plural. For example, if you see this spectra, this is refers for crystalline material. That means the material, it's crystalline material. Okay, while our sample, it's liquid. I put it in these files because the curcumin is more sensitive for a light, and I cover these files using an aluminum film. Okay, and let's do this practice. Even the first procedure, we will place our sample in this holder. Okay, then we will enter the holder with the sample to the XRD machine. Okay, after we place our sample in the sample folder, then we will enter to the instrument and insert our sample to the XRD machine. First of all, I wanted to explain this machine. This is the source of a light of X-ray sources, and place our sample here with the holder, and this is the detector. Okay, when the light exposed on the sample, then show the light to the detector and provide us the result as spectrum. This is the spectrum of the result, and you should wait for 15 minutes after finishing our sample and get the results. Okay, until to the right now, this our results. Okay, as you see, the previous article that mentioned the theta or the angle of this characterization starting from 5 to 50. Therefore, the x-axis, it will start from 5 and to become or to reach to the 50. Okay, this 49.50. Okay, the instrument or the characterization it will be finished right now. As you saw, it reaches to the 50. Okay, and this is the parameter of this characterization. Okay,
We have a problem there. So see.
we will take our sample and place our sample and place it on the holder. A little bit of the sample. I think it's okay. Okay, we will split it. It's okay. Done. Then we will go back to insert it to the instrument of XRD. This is the second sample. Okay. Right now we will calculate how many the percentage of the crystalline form and amorphous form, because some sample will be as within crystalline and amorphous in the same time. By using the XRD program we will show. We will select the peak, the significant peak, to calculate the percentage of crystalline and percentage of amorphous. طبعا معنا هذا الخط المقطع هو البيس لاين اللي عن طريقه بنحدد كل ما كان البيك بعيد عنه احنا بنختار البيكات البعيدة، اما البقية عبارة عن نويز. Okay.
The quality gives you all the bits.
This 2 theta. And the percentage of this crystalline, for example, crystalline 32.9%, whereas the amorphous 17.1%. Okay. That means the most of the sample is amorphous